Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to lift this full lace wig. So I parted the hair in 4 sections and I also pre-cut the lace around the perimeter. I'm going to do 4 scoops of lifting bleach and 8 scoops of 10 volume developer. This should be enough to cover the whole head. I'm also going to add some Olaplex for some extra protection. I'm using a hair dyeing comb with a brush on one side so I can comb through for even distribution. I'm going to take small partings and saturate the product throughout each section. I'm going to also speed through this process so the video won't be too long. I am applying the bleach a ½ inch away from the lace because just like real hair, the roots start lifting the fastest and I don't want to weaken the hair. I will go back through and reapply the remaining product to the roots next. No need to overlap the bleach. I am just focusing on the roots. I was just saying that I hate wasting product. I really do. But now, I am going to take this processing cap and cover the lace wig on the canvas head for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now that the hair is processed and is completely dry, I am going to shadow root the lace with a level 6, a medium brown blondish color. That would be my darker color for the haircuts. I like to use a mascara brush, an old one, of course, that has been washed and all of the mascara product is off of it. So I use a mascara brush as a comb so I can really get into those roots. When shadow rooting or doing any type of double process color, you should always have a hand towel near you so you won't get any unwanted color in parts of the hair where it's not supposed to be. The color is now complete. I also lifted the reddish brown hair a little more and will tone it with a Shades EQ Amber Glaze. Now to the fun part, hair cutting. Hair cutting is my favorite. I always focus on the shape. But before I do, I have to prep. Clean partings is key to a precision haircut, even if you are using a razor. I want to introduce this very useful hair cutting tool for my fellow wig makers who want to learn how to cut short hair. I bought this gadget a few years ago and never used it until recently when my measuring comb broke. This tool makes the scissor over comb technique so much easier for beginner wig makers, hairstylists, and even for DIYers at home. I'll put the link below. Trust me, you need this if you want a sharp finish haircut. Now it's time to cut the top half of this pixie haircut. I will continue to speed up the process so I won't take up too much of your time. If you want to learn how to precision cut a wig or a weave, comment course please below. And this is the finished look. I don't really wear hair color, but I like it. I think it brightens my face. What do you think? Comment below. I only sprayed a little adhesive in a couple of spots temporarily to tack the unit down. So it's on my head very loosely. But you do need to use glue so that it adheres nicely and also melts for a more realistic hairline. Although I think this full lace wig unit is looking quite natural to me. To purchase, click the link below.